and get everybody accounted for, ready to rock and roll here. There we go. We are up, and welcome to everybody out there on YouTube, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and StockTwits. Welcome to everybody out there. Thousands of people that join us each and every day. Looking forward to hosting everybody here today in the Tradenet trading room. We've got a great action-packed day today. We've got mentoring session, which Yogi's going to be part of today at 3:15. You're not going to want to miss that. Yogi will be handling that in the mentoring room. Clifton will have the link out here each and every day here for you all, especially throughout today, to link you into that at 3:15 today. Well, let's take a look at the marketplace here. Again, welcome to everybody here in the room. We'll say good morning to everybody here momentarily. Let's start off with Asia today. That's in the overnight session. They're already done for the day. The Nikkei was up 406. Shanghai and China up 1.46 points, and the Hong Kong Hang Seng down 13.35. Really just a flat day in Asia. You look at Europe. Europe's red across the board. German DAX down 81, FTSE or down 80.93. FTSE in the UK down 68.96, and the CAC 40 is down 27.21 points. Combine that with Asia, and you've got two markets up, four markets down, kind of mixed, and that's where we're at this morning in the US of A. Dow futures down 31 points, S&P futures down 1.25, and the Nasdaq futures down 60, or Nasdaq futures are up 68 points this morning. So a mixed bag. Oil ups are down 6 cents this morning. Gold down $10.90. Silver still ripping higher, up 4.471, up 1.81%. So again, mixed market this morning. Be very, very careful as we open up this day to get some direction into the market here to give us a better chance of winning as we get going here today. Well, what's happening out there? Coronavirus testing still going out there, which they're asking that we've had a decline in coronavirus cases. Then they're starting to question the testing now, which is unbelievable. But again, that's another day in the life of Corona. Stock futures just down a little bit this morning after the S&P was just under a record yesterday. We'll see if we can get that up and get a brand new record for the S&P 500 today. So awesome. Pandemic relief for the coronavirus, and many of those stocks that are all over that. The mRNA of yesterday. In fact, when you look at mRNA today, that stock is down just a bit, and that stock has been in the news for quite some time now. See if that stock pops or not today as we get this market going and possibly moving in an upward move to set that S&P 500 brand new high here. So again, Fat Burger out there to buy Johnny Rockets burger chain. Not a big deal. Those of you that have been to a Fat Burger, you'll understand what that's all about. So that's about it for today. Not much, pretty light on the news, and the markets are just really kind of flat. In fact, when flat markets are here, stocks stand on their own. It's just that you don't get the bump from the overall market. So we got to be careful today as we enter into this crazy Thursday session here. I'll be leading the room today. Meir's still gone. He'll be back on Monday, and looking forward to that. So we've had a good week so far. Hopefully a better week starting today as we get this Thursday started. So I'm looking forward to trading with everybody here. All right. Marcus, good morning. Yep. Good morning to you. Great to have you here this morning for sure. All right. Good morning, Thanawat. Biswap, good morning to you. Endo, good morning. And Sufala, good morning to you. Joe, good morning. And Illy, good morning to you in Vancouver, BC. Farzad, good morning to you. And Yogi, great to have you here this morning. Thank you for doing what you do each and every day. Good morning, Jordan. Hitcham, good morning to you in Belgium. Amir G, good morning. And good morning, Ismail. Green day to you, my friend. Steve B, good morning. And good morning, Obis. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Matthew. And Clifton, thank you. There's the mentoring link there for Yogi today. That's at 3:15. Boris Aguiar, who handles our Spanish trading room, he translates each and every day English to Spanish. In fact, the Spanish trading room got so big we had to have it in its brand new site there. Clifton will have the link if you want to go and join Boris over there in the Spanish trading room. He does a great job each and every day. Takla, good morning to you. Talat, good morning. And Nicholas, good morning to you. Jay, good morning in Connecticut. Let's get some green today. Abraham, good morning in Columbia. And Stephen Adler, good morning in Coconut Creek, Florida. Good morning, Alan. And good morning, Gulam. Great to have you here this morning. No news yet. I'm thinking September now. We're still working on it. We're still focused on the transition after TEFS. So just hang in there. It's coming. We're working on it, and we're focused. Let's put it that way. Tomas, good morning to you. Richard, good morning in Wales in the UK. Laurent, good morning to you. Jack J, good morning. And Nyan, good morning to you. Namasa, good morning to you. Laurent, good morning. Clifton, thank you so much. Yogi, good morning to you. Or George, good morning to you. Yep. And Gaurav, good morning to you in Singapore. Good evening to you. Johan, good morning in Belgium. And good morning, Adam. And Goem, absolutely. Absolutely. Jay, and good morning from Tampa, Florida, my hometown here. All right, let's put this back. Let's get ready to rumble this morning as we get ready for the day. Talk a little bit about stocks this morning. I do like a couple of these here that I've got on the screen today. This is going to be a PTON trade. Peloton short this morning under 62. We'll see if that stock rises a little bit and catch it like that. Also, VRM under 57 this morning. This is going to be a VRM trade, short under 57. That's happening here. And then the YY trade continues to move higher. If you look at this stock, Yogi had mentioned it before, look at this stock on a daily basis. We got this nice start to a move back up towards tracking towards 100. I do like this stock to the long side today, over 91. This will be a green trade. I'll post it green here. This will be a YY trade, YY long over 91 this morning. There we go. All right, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, still watching AZPN. That stock has really moved higher here this morning. You can see this this move on AZPN. I don't know what the news was, but a huge move up. You know, this stock traded yesterday at 100. Now today over 120. So we'll watch that stock as we get going. Cisco, not a big mover, but down for the day big time. Yandex up this morning. That stock looks great over 61.20, is it? Let me just make sure here. 61.10. We'll put Yandex down here too and watch this stock as we get going this morning. Okay, there we go. There's that. And then we've got Triple M. Tesla again. NVAX starting to pump and go forward now, up over 130. We'll watch that stock here. I'll pull that one over here. This is the NVAX trade. I like that over 130. One of these that definitely need to watch here this morning as we get the day started. Okay, we get started in about 2 minutes coming up on it here. Want to say a special welcome to Gabe and to Clifton here, our Tradenet support team who takes great care of us here in the room each and every day, answering questions, taking care of all of us, and keeping us straight. Michael Orevi, my trading partner. Listen, traders, if you don't know this already, we have 3 sessions for the day. We've got a morning session, which we're in now. We've got the lunch session and then the afternoon session. So again, I usually guide you through the morning session with Meir. Michael takes over for lunch. You're going to have Michael and Amir this afternoon or this lunch period today, which is Thursday. Amir will go over his trades, and then I'll take you into the close today. And looking forward to that. And then tomorrow, of course, we come back. Amir is with us this morning. Amir Barak. Yogi is here. Galia is here. Galia, heads up. If you don't know Galia, stop in and say hi to her. She's in the Russian chat tab here. She's right next to the general chat. Say hello to Galia. She leads the Russian trading room each and every day, translates from English to Russian, and does a great job of posting her trades. I know many of you look forward to her and following her trades throughout the day. Boris Aguiar, again, our Spanish analyst, and then Aggie LaFleur doing a lot of our mentoring sessions now with many of the clients here each and every day. Yeah, I'll have a look at Lyft. I have Lyft up here, actually, LYFT. I saw it earlier down under 29.50 on LYFT. This stock could come out with some poor results. So 29.50 here on the downside. I'd like to see that stock move up higher before we take it short here this morning into the close. Yep, Apple and Stephen pointed out Apple and Tesla. I'm watching both of those too. Tesla on the move higher here this morning. Also, Apple looking very good as we get the day going here. Cisco to the downside here, and AZPN. We'll keep an eye on all of these here and more as we get the day started here. All right. We are ready to go. Speaking of Galia, can we please request on her alerts to have stop loss posted as well? Yeah, sure, Mohammed. We will ask Galia. Galia, if you can hear me, if you can post the stop loss here. And we are open for business this morning, so let's go for it here this morning. Watch this PTON early morning trade here on PTON. Be a short trade here on PTON. I'll take it under 63. under 63 short on PTON. And I'll post this here. We got a nice gap this morning on this stock. PTON short under 63. Big move higher here this morning. Now almost touching 64. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. We look good to open so far. Take a look at OSTK.
Hi, traders.
Here, what do you say?
Right now, nothing. Hopefully, later, yeah. Can I get a sound check, guys? Hear me well? Thanks. Thank you. PNN, one of my candidates, Cisco. We have a lot of stocks. Gently. Nicholas, fat is not tradable in the platform.
Hey traders, YY coming down here now. Watch PTON under that $63 here this morning. We're going to take care of that, take care of business with that trade as well. All right. Got AP's AZPN this morning. Let me make sure that it is tradable. It is not AZPN. Yeah. Let me take a look one more time. AZPN. Yeah, it is tradable. Okay. All right. Peloton off to the races here. This stock should be coming down. We'll take a look at it. OSTK moving higher as well. All right, let's see. Watching mRNA. Yeah, VRM really moving down here. So YY, I'm going to take it over 90 here on YY. This will be my first trade of the day. This will be a YY long. Over 90. Put the level 2 down in here. There we go. Watch that. About 20-cent spread, not too bad. Oh, AZPN is halted, yeah. Okay. Okay, Yandex traders over 61, YNDX. YNDX long over 61. Don't know if I'll have a time to push that here. I am going to take it over 61 on the long side. YNDX long 61. Okay, there we go. All right, now we'll talk about stop loss here. Will be right under this 61.30 on the stop loss here. YY no trade. Okay, there's our Yandex move here. I am long the stock at 61. Just because it's down for the day, they recorded. There's more competition in the Peloton arena with I think it was Apple coming out with some tracking whatchamacallit, widgets for the watch and all. We're going to revise this on YY over 89. Actually over 89. YY long 89. See if we can get this to move back up here. Okay, Yandex looking great. Watch the top here now. The top of this candle before that's 61.20. We get past 61.20, which we are. Wait, let me make sure of that again. 61.35. Anything over 61.35, we should start to take off here very well. Cisco coming down, TPR coming down, Lyft as well. Come on, Yandex, you can do this. YY, no trade yet. We're in Yandex. We do not need the level 2 here. Come on, Yandex.
First trade, I'm looking at INO over the high. Was not on my list, but I was going over the stocks. Nothing really moving right now. So I'm going to the second list.
Yeah, YY busted here. Yandex to the new high. First trade of the day going very well right now. Watching Peloton for a possible short here. 3M looking good. FAT is open. FAT. EZPN.
It's open. It's open in the platform, Scott.
I don't know. Let me take a look.
No, I know that it's not.
No, it's not tradable.
I know that it's not. It's not tradable.
Not tradable.
Okay, I know. Is in. Very nice break. Need to wait to pass the 50. Good.
Is under 60.45, 60.40. Yeah, awesome trade on NVAX over that 130. Yep, keep an eye on Yandex now pulling back.
Position on Cisco over 43. Broke a little bit, but I'm waiting for the next pullback. Half position 43.30. I'm gonna add.
Okay, YY no trade. Peloton has closed the gap. The only thing I'm in right now is the Yandex trade, YNDX. I saw the AZPN, Nicholas, off to the races a little. It needs to pull back under 130. Peloton, let's take a look at the daily here. Yeah, sure. I mean, it's got some move to the upside to go, but I think with the negative news, it's people are just buying it to run it up. We'll see if it lasts up here. No problem. Come on, Yandex, keep going. We took out the high on Yandex. Now we're just waiting to see if that'll regroup and move higher. YY is broken right now. Also, NVAX looking good too, to see if we get a pullback here for entry. Marna?
Got an aggressive candle in the market, Scott.
Yep. SPY gap fill, that's what we're waiting for here to see if in fact we do that on the SPY. You should be watching SPY or Triple Q's overall market right now, kind of get yourself a feel. Remember, we started today, we kind of opened things up very flat. this morning.
I know,
Flat to
over
down.
1450, gonna add 30-cent stop. I'm full, I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Here's the INO trade. See from a mirror.
So 30 cent in the money, we cover the risk. Volume is good, passion is good, everything looks pretty good. If we're gonna break the 50, I think we can bring all the stops to our first entry under it. Let's see what's gonna happen above 1450. Have position in Cisco, waiting it to move a little bit more.
You watch the overall market now. And VAX, little red candle at the top here. YY is disgusting, right? Look at that. Huge move up, huge move down.
Yes, suddenly the stock are not following the market, huh, Scott? Start to remind me yesterday. Yeah.
Trace, we've had a couple of days of challenging markets, I would tell you, you know?
Yeah.
Again, it's not, stocks are standing on their own. Got to be careful here, though. Tesla is approaching low of the day, right on. Just broke that.
Yeah, Tesla. Broke the low of the market, pre-market even. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Still sticking with the Yandex trade. That's the only thing I'm in right now. Now, AZPN, you want it, it's very low volume, so probably not going to be considered, although under 130, if it breaks down there, maybe that 125 area to pick some up. We'll monitor that stock.
Scott, what do you think about Facebook over the high? Don't like so much the bars, but yeah, see it. It's exactly bull flagging right now.
Yeah.
But pretty ugly stuff, ugly balls. Not so much.
Yeah. That high yesterday was what, 263.89, so 264 right here.
Yeah, we broke it. We broke it. Yeah, we broke it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, this Yandex trade is going to be out here 60-40. 60-40 break. 60-30. We'll give it 60-30. We take a look at
Jerry, I didn't take. I reduced in INO, and no, I didn't take a partial yet.
NKLA looking good. I'd say, NKLA, Armando, I'd say 44.50 you can add. If you're in at 44, that's a good trade. And then add at 44.50 on the breakout. Let me take a look at the daily here too. That looks great. I'm going to come into the trade at 44.50. I'll post it here. Long NKLA 44.50. It's sad that we're not getting a trade in the YY, but it's all right.
SRNE, I want to take it over the high, over 85.
Let's see if I can get it here. 43.40 will, I'm sorry, 43.60 will be my stop loss here. Looking for at least a point to the upside now in NKLA. Come on, keep pushing. Upside breakout. Yeah, at the bottom of this right here, at the bottom of this This candle is where I'd come out. Give it 43.60. And then Zoom ZM. Take a look at ZM. Yep, same thing here with ZM. Looks great at the breakout here, 246 on ZM. Come on, Yandex. Yandex and NKLA so far. Yeah, it's going good, Linda, on Facebook. Yep.
Yeah, I didn't take it, Scott. The other one, few cents. This one I didn't take, and it was moving pretty good. Yeah.
JMIA. Yeah, JMIA, wow.
Look at the daily of GMIA, Scott. The potential,
Yeah,
they're amazing.
You know, that gets over, what, $15, $16, and it's off to the races again on the daily. Yeah, Yandex just not doing it for us right now. Peloton coming down. Yeah, still sticking in there with NKLA. Again, start watching the overall market here, right? Make sure that you have a good look at the overall market. I know this off here. Just close the gap. Here I'm setting up here. Let's see. NKLA needs to blast off here for us. Come on, baby. Again, 44.50 entry here on NKLA.
RVLV, want to take it over 20 to 50. 50 cents stop, another round number. RVLV.
I don't know about why you're kind of bottom fishing down here thinking this 86 is going to hold. I'm not too sure it will. Peloton coming back to reality.
Yes, Austin. Nothing changed though. And I can tell you if it's gonna hold it and go over 43.20, full position. But again, if it's drop under the 70, bye-bye.
Yeah. Play looks good, Francis. Just not a big mover. Looks good pattern-wise. Tell you what, Triple M, maybe 166. I'm keeping my eye on MMM. NKLA needs to turn and burn. You know it wants to go higher here. Come on.
SRNE getting close over the high.
Number 3 IPOs today.
One of them looks amazing, Scott.
Yeah.
I hope he doesn't know that.
Whatever.
Yeah, what's his name? BKE. Yeah.
Hey, here comes our Airbus. I mean, here comes our NKLA trade.
Okay, SRN is in. SRN, we need to break the 14. Daily looks amazing. Next resistance, almost a full point. Again, should. Let's see if it would. RVLV looking good. Expectation at least breaking the 23. Again, 24 area, high of the day right now, so there is a lot of potential here.
Come on,
Cisco,
NKLA, do it here.
43.20, gonna add full position. Cisco.
Okay, there goes our NKLA. Target $45 now, NKLA.
Okay, now the stocks are starting to relate to the market, guys. Our VLV, nice, 70 cents, no partial yet. Candle looks great. SRNE, great, we broke the 14. I know. Looking for yourself. Cisco, get into the 20.
Go NKLA, go baby, go. 30 cents to go here. 30 cents to go. Come on. Nothing but a thing.
Where did you take it, Scott? Nakla.
NKLA 44.50.
Okay.
Yep, Peloton coming down. I saw that. I'm more interested in NKLA and Yandex right now. I'm in both of these trades. Take a look at RCI. Triple M did go over that. JMIA walking forward. NVAX breaking out at the top now. Interesting move. Yeah, missed the triple M play. I called it at 165 or 166. Just zoomed right through there right now. We think of JMIA at 14. I mean, it looks good. It's been through there once before, up to 14.14. Yandex 60.30 is my stop loss on Yandex YNDX. Okay, Gelly is taking the YY trade here on a long 84.52. I'll probably try it at 86. If we get this move here, you see where my cursor is, where my mouse is here. If we get this move start to curl back up here, Yogi's taking a Billy trade, BILI. The NVAX looking smart now. Yandex and NKLA so far. What do you think of YY
know,
down here? I think YY is due for a move higher after coming down all this way, but no guarantees here on YY. In fact, just dropping down even more now.
Okay, I'm going to add above 50. SRNE, guys, looks good. 50 cents plus and no partial yet. No partial. RVLV, if we're going to break 23.20, nice bull flag, we can go to the 24. Cisco, looking for herself yet. Yeah, SRNE looks good. Yeah, SRNE. Volume increasing. Everything looks amazing. Yeah, 15%, 23 millions. Yeah. But the dailies just show me that there's no reason to take a partial right now. Jing, let's not get excited, huh?
Still in
Stocks are
Yandex.
love and hate.
Just having some patience here with these slower movers this morning. SRNE. Yeah, looking great over that 14. Just took off. YY reminds me of a stock that we looked at yesterday too. Gapped up and then straight down.
Marna. It was Marna, Scott, no?
Yeah. Yes, it was. You're exactly right. I almost like that AZPN over 130, but not good enough for me.
Guys, I took Billy, and maybe it's too early, but I want to add above the 42. Look at the daily chart on Billy. We have so many red candles, so I thought that maybe today will be the green one. I'm in, and I'm about to add above the 32.
Here's the Billy trade right here, and here's the daily. What Yogi was talking about here. All these red candles bounced off of 40. Now starting to make a move higher. Yep, still in the Yandex trade, still in the NKLA trade. Okay, JMIA over 14 traders. I'm going to take this trade here. JMIA long 14. Talked about this a little bit earlier here. JMIA long over 14. Stop loss will be right at 1360. Let's turn this into JMIA. And target's going to be, well, first target will be over this candle here, which is the 1414, 1415 area. So looking for about maybe 30 cents to the upside. Tesla over 1600. This is going to be just small share size here, or as Meir would call it, fun share size on
Okay,
Tesla.
guys, SRNE, 70 cents, growing. Let it grow. I want to see if the 50 will give us some resistance. If so, can take a first partial there. I know, looks good.
Tesla long 1600. TSLA long 1600. First trade in Tesla in a few days now. Obviously, that whole number level here at 1600. Looking good. Still in the Yandex trade, coming into JMIA as well. We'll watch Tesla for the trade here. Well, I think if you're going to come into YY, here's the deal for today. If you're going to come into this YY trade at 85, I think Galia had put it down at, what did she post it at here? 84.52. So if you come in at 85, just have your stop loss here under the low, okay? Here comes your JMIA trade. Watch it.
23.20. We can add in RVLV over that beautiful bull flag. Again, around 50 cents stop for the adding.
Comes JMIA, 2 pennies away, JMIA. Watch Tesla as well. Tesla's entry is going to be 1600. No trade yet, JMIA. Want to see the breakout here. NKLA looking great. Still ripping along here. Yandex looking fine. Tesla is about 4 points away. No trade, JMIA. OSTK getting some bid underneath it as well today. The JMIA coming back up right now. Again, 1400. If you're long the Tesla trade, what I'm going to do on Tesla is just looking at 4 to 5 points to the upside here on Tesla. And we're coming up on it right now. I'll take a partial at 1604. There we go right here, 1604. And partialed out on Tesla, a little bit better than 1604 on the fill here. That gives us 4 points. Just 100 shares left now on Tesla. Just took 300 shares on the Tesla trade for the long at 1600. I think we have more in the tank here on Tesla. Waiting for JMIA. I am going to be long this stock. JMIA at 14. NKLA coming up there. Target 45 NKLA. Target 45 NKLA. NVAX looking good at 140. Come on, Tesla. Keep cranking for us. Okay, bigger move now on Tesla. Still the 100 shares left. JMIA trying. OSTK, I'll tell you what, the piece about OSTK today, Just up and away. The stock, if you look at it on the daily chart on OSTK, it looks like it wants to track that 100. I don't know if it'll do all that today, but kind of pick your line in the sand if you're going to go long the stock. All right. Cisco short. I didn't see that before. Let's see. I'd say 42.50 on that Cisco short, Joseph. Yep. Okay, here we come. 45 target and JMIA entry at 14. We don't need the Tesla level 2 anymore. Again, anything under 1,600, I will come out of the last 100 shares of Tesla and be thankful for it. Here comes 45 NKLA right down here, NKLA 45. I'll be taking a partial here at 45. Be taking half the trade off at 45 and looking for the entry here on JMIA. There we go. There's the 45. And there's our 14 break on JMIA. Beautiful move. Beautiful, beautiful move. All right. Got 3 of 4 winners right now. Yandex coming up as well, which is good. Starting today off a heck of a lot better than I have the last 2 days. So I'm happy here. Great trade on Tesla. Great continued trade on Tesla. Great entry now on JMIA. Great trade on NKLA. I've taken my partial on NKLA. Okay, we are firing on all cylinders today. Just got to get this Yandex trade up and away. We get Yandex over that 61 again. Nice day in the books for us today. Loving it, loving it, loving
Austin,
it.
I took it before the 50s. Around 1440, I took the first partial. That's it. This is the only partial I took until now.
1430 traders, 1430 JMIA. Traders, those of you that are on YouTube this morning, if you could hit that thumbs up button, we would certainly appreciate that, as you do each and every day. Great to have everybody there. Vern, good to see you here this morning. Yep, you're welcome on the JMIA call. Remember, traders, we do have mentoring today at 3:15 with Yogi. He's got a great one. I think you talked about it yesterday, Amir, about the short squeeze.
Yeah, I love short squeeze. From every direction you can look at this. Yeah, every way. Yeah.
We're all set on the JMIA trade. Just going to wait for that 1430 exit. Come on. 5 cents to go, 3 cents to go, 1430 coming up, 2 cents to go, 1430. Keep coming. Look at our Tesla looking great, man. Looking great. What a good morning,
Scott.
What a good morning.
Trade JMIA when you are watching the daily chart, not the intraday. It will influence your partial activities.
Moving right along. Yeah, absolutely. I'll take a look at OSTK. Still rising, still moving up higher. Anything under, oh, baby, here comes our NKLA. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Taking my half off right here. Again, NKLA 4520. I'm going to get a little bit more here. You're welcome, Abdul. You're welcome. Look at that breakout move here. Very nice. Great volume. Everything's good. Tesla cranking along. Yandex doing good. What about this Peloton? My gosh, look at that thing roll. Yeah, YY. I think YY's got it in the cards today. Wow. Okay, traders, NKLA, just 300 shares left. Tesla cranking along, looking great. No, I'm not going to, Tesla, I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit here, see if we can get a bigger move. If not, I'll come out of this. Not a problem. Yeah, so here's the JMIA trade, what you're talking about. Here's the daily, right? That daily up to 15, that would be beautiful. Hold on for a little bit bigger move there too. Easier to hold on for a bigger move when you're nice and bright and green today, right? Heck of a lot better than what I was yesterday. So nice comeback day for myself. Let's take a look see how everybody else was today. I'm very green this morning, and hopefully you are too, with many of the calls here in the room today. I'm going to come out of the Tesla trade, waiting for this as well on Tesla. It was our NKLA trade, again, up to 45.50. Now I got a full point in this trade. So we're looking at about 60-40 again here in the room, 60-40. 60% of our traders profitable, 40% not. Still pretty good. Good job, Boris. Very nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah. Coming up on it. Yeah, 69, 59, 60%. Snap that picture, Clifton, when we get to 60%. Give us a couple more greens in there, traders. There we go, 60%. Perfect. 60-38 or so. All right, good morning session so far, and we'll continue on. NKLA just screaming now. 200 more shares out, 100 to go. NKLA. Stop the madness now. It's beautiful, beautiful move. And Tesla holding on very nicely. GMIA, anything under 14, I will come out. All right, let's see here. Yeah, Cisco. That sure is. We say 4250 units, right? On the short side. Yeah. Still up for the day on the triple Qs, SPY, but we are getting a pullback right now. YY filled the entire gap down. How about that? No. And you see stocks like YY covering that gap too. I'm out of the JMIA trade. That was short-lived, but okay. NKLA 45.40. Not gonna chance things here. I'm out of the Tesla trade, traders, as said, under 1600. Thinning it out now, taking profits while you can. I love the Tesla trade. Love that breakout of 1600. May visit that again. So the only thing that I'm in full share size right now is Yandex, YNDX. Yep. Yep. Billionaire, we got that top end, which is nice. Beautiful move on NKLA. Fueled with good volume too on the way up.
IPO started. NTST.
NTST. Great,
Yeah.
we'll get it up here in 1 second. NTST.
Good volume.
Is the NTST
Good
trade?
volume.
Not a big mover, right?
Yeah, the range is not phenomenal. That's true. Range is not phenomenal. Let me see, what was the price supposed to be there? Let me check it. I didn't write it. NTST.
Good volume. It'd be
Wow,
18.
it's in the same. It's in the same price, Scott. So nothing special. No percentage high. Yeah, no range, good volume, but let's watch
so
it.
one of the
Let's
things,
watch
traders,
it.
we look at a couple of things here. We look at, obviously, the range. What Amir's talking about is, we're only moving in nickel increments here. You can see on the right side here, 1790, 1795, 1818. It hasn't really moved a whole lot. We're looking for good volume. It's got good volume. Over 1 million shares traded in the first 2 minutes. That's nice. But then again, it's not, to me, the risk and reward just isn't quite there. We then take the trade over the high of the first candle, which is the 1815 area. So this trade would be long at 1815. You can see it's done nothing but gone down the first 3 1-minute candles. I don't want to make a quick call on it, but I would say this. I would say that it's not going to be, probably not going to be one that I'm going to trade here. The Tesla snapback, that dog, look at that. Got me out at the 1600 and then snapback, went high a day. Wow. Just lost on about $1,700 there. Gaurav, Scott, Tesla and JMIA, 1614, was that the, that was the entry. Gaurav, when I post stuff over here where it says add announcement, when I post Tesla and the long sign or the sign to the right there, 1600, that means I'm going to enter it at 1600. All right. No trade on the IPO. On YY, I'm not in the trade on YY. I would say, if you're going to come in here, what I'm going to do is I'll take it at 83.75 here on YY. I'm going to take a small share size because I can always add to it. So again, the only thing I have left right now is the Yandex trade, YNDX. NTST, no trade. We do have two other IPOs today that I'm going to watch for. The BEKE is going to be pretty nice, I think. Okay, so 83.75 right here on that YY trade. NKLA, anything under 45, I will come out of this trade. Anything under 45, I will come out of the trade.
I'm going to take BE over the 40.90. Great support of the daily.
Okay, so we guessed right, or we told it right on NTST, right? Okay, if you're long the YY traders, long YY, again, I'm going to look for, let's call it 85 first. We'll add at 85, and then hopefully we get this move higher towards 86 and a quarter, $86, somewhere in there. I mean, I think it's got great volume. You just look at it, right? Look at YY with that volume right now. Hopefully we'll continue to go. Remember, 2 more IPOs today. Yeah, I really want that 85, and then we'll see there. We've got the VWAP right above that. Take a look at Uber, Armando. Yep. No trade on the IPO. I'm taking it off my radar. Yeah, Uber right here at 31. Actually, yep. Looks fine. Not a big mover. I mean, most you're going to get out of it is what, about 30 cents up to the top, unless it really does break out here. You're watching Yandex as well.
Still waiting to BE. Stop gonna be 20 cents. I'll have the formation right now.
Come on, YY. Keep coming, baby. Yeah, Mo, I mean, it's nice. JMIA now up 1445. Great. Those of you that took that trade, that JMIA, very good entry there, solid and solid move higher with volume. Checks all the boxes here. YY stop loss will be under the dotted line here, this 82 area for the stop loss on YY.
It's like the stock are waiting for something, huh, Scott? Sometimes they look they're hunted, and even the one with the momentum, it's pretty weird. I'm trying to be very selective. I'm still in INO RVLV and waiting for BE. So SRNA took only one partial. Where's my stop? Cisco half position lost. Again, I don't see right now the stock is breaking so much. So maybe I can take another trade there, waiting for BE, even though the stop was, BE is not relevant anymore. CLB.
Yeah, and KLA about ready to break out the top right now. Let me take a look at AMD for you here. Yeah, right here at 83 on the breakout here. Wow, MCRB, yeah. OSTK pulling back down. Why? I'm going to sit in here with it right now. And KLA now busted out the top. Awesome, Ismail. You stayed in there way longer than what I did. And congratulations to you. You got paid for it. 30 points on Tesla now. And KLA now at 46. Unbelievable. Trace, we got 2 more IPOs today to go. Hopefully we'll get into one of these. Yandex pulling back now. Boy, Tesla, you have really moved higher today.
Communication, communication services is the strongest sector today. These are the most momentum stock there. Let's watch together. We have a couple of hundred, even more eyes. Let's look for triggers in those stocks. Twitter, Scott, what do you think about Twitter? I'm hesitating a little bit today just because of the markets. Twitter looks good here, nice.
It does, right up here at 38.25 on the breakout.
Yeah, but I don't know, really. I'm
Hey, my YY is starting to take off here, and NKLA with the breakout here. 100 shares left on NKLA, full share size YY, full share size YNDX. Looking great.
Austin, I got out of SRNE, took a partial, and I think at the entry, I got out above 14. It's not clear like it was earlier. Earlier we just broke new highs, and it did a move. Not sure right now. Again, I don't see a support of the trade. You know, the trade looks good, so INO still there. A bit more than 50 cents from the original entry. Did like 20 from the ad. RVLV, still looking okay. But they are looking just okay, you know, we don't just trade okay, we want to see something kind of special. Don't see it right now, so as Scott says, there is third way, sitting on the hands, looking for very good triggers. BE. And I was watching BE earlier, it broke the stop. Let's see. 1455.
There's our 85 on YY. Let's see if we can run through 85. I'm going to add to the trade at 85 here. Okay. Not yet. Not yet. Coming up on it.
Are you shorted, Philip? Where? Around the round number? Scott, are you still in YY?
Yeah, still in the YY trade now. Just added at 85. Looking great. Yeah, huge day for me today. I mean, based on comparing it to the last couple of days here. So hopefully now we can get to that 86. We got to get over this VWAP line right here. NKLA still in, YY still in. Looking good so far. Yeah, little trouble there at 85. That's to be expected. Waiting for that bigger move here as we get up to the VWAP line. Okay, let's continue. Again, the line up here, VWAP line 85.50. That's really where we've got to get to. NKLA, anything under 46, I'm going to come out. Okay, here we go. 85.50 again. We're over 85, 85.10. Now remember, we do have 2 IPOs left. Yep. BEKE should be good.
Guys, I'm not going to take it, but I'm sure some of you will like it. Take a look on RUN above the 47. Just got in. Didn't took it. Yes, I talk about it about no RUN. You have 1 million now, Marcus. Count till 12 and you got 1 million, but RUN, then Solar Edge and ENPH and Phase and SunPower, SPWR, all of these stocks are just because of the market. Also, the market is just moving sideways like yesterday. Nothing is happening. It just seems that the market is waiting a little bit, create tension, and then it will move to a new high. But nothing is happening today. I took Sono at 14.20. Didn't posted it, but and BE, I'm not sure if you remember, but a few days ago, I posted BE and I told there is a lot of short sellers in BE and the daily chart is amazing. And today was the day, but I'm not in it. I think there is the word FOMO is not about the social media and Facebook. FOMO is a word for day trading. The fear of missing out. Let's take a look on ZTO. ZTO looks nice. Looking good. I would prefer it on the VWAP, but looks okay. Wait on a reversal on NVAX. Let's take a look. Meir is posting PTON. PTON also, look at the daily chart. Very extended to the downside. And I think I'm about to enter with Amir.
P2N, Yogi can save the situation in the market. If not P2N, we can close the screen and go to drink some beer. Yeah, something has to wake the market. Yeah.
Okay, traders, NKLA last 100 shares. I just keep saying it's just off to the races here. Love it, just going to stick with it. YY still in the trade, sticking with that trade as well on YY.
Alfred, where is the stop? I would buy you, Eunice. No problem.
Okay, PTON got in. You know what I love about PTON?
It's wild and free.
Maybe I'm saying it too early, but yes, but those trades that you can, it's a swing trade, right, Amir? We're going swing because of the daily chart and we are starting our swing trade intraday.
Let's see how this trade will develop. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Not necessarily, it depends how it's going to finish the day. If it's going to finish, let's say, on the high, 10-15% of the high of the day, yeah, we can definitely leave something for a swing. Today we are looking for partials.
I missed.
Not for swings.
Yes, I know. Amir, take a look on FSLY on the daily chart, the 50 EMA.
Yeah, Jeffrey. I mean,
we should be there.
This morning, Peloton, to me was a short at some time until it filled that entire gap up, and we just started to take off. Hopefully, get these two IPOs in.
Still remember, Scott, Python, as from the time it was used to be loaded like 40% short. So
yeah,
and I just forget all the time that all of them are gone. Right now you have like 4 or 5%. So basically it's nothing. But
let's take a look at NVAX here. NVAX, I'm going to post over 134. This is going to be a long trade. 134. Stop loss will be 133. And target's going to be closer to that 140, 138 or so. So let's put the level 2 here, NVAX. We'll get this thing ready to rock and roll. 134 entry, NVAX. Still in Yandex?
Let's take a look on it and AMC. Wow, it looks amazing. The market is looking like we're going to a new high. I'm not sure I want to take some breakout now. Let's see. Wow, AMC. I read about it. Yes, let's take a look on plug. AMD. AMD today is nothing. We have 0.2% moving sideways. Even in the daily chart, nothing happened, like moving sideways. Today AMD is nothing. Oh, Python. Let's take a look PTON. We're still, nothing's happening PTON.
Yeah, it's just kind of come up
Everything
there
is
and
good.
not done much anything. No trade NVAX. No trade NVAX.
Wow, Starbucks have a really nice daily chart, but today also 0.2%. Seems like everyone is sleeping on Wall Street today.
Starbucks is decaf.
Guys, don't force yourself. Don't force yourself to enter some trades just because you are sitting in front of the computer. Just, you can get up and come back later. Or do nothing, sit on the fence, like Amir said.
Remember what we always say, there are 3 trades. There's a long, a short, and a sit on your hands. And if you can't, if you're not going to be able to take a great trade, it's best to sit on your hands and wait it out. Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes that's your best bet. You're not able to, you can't lose anything that way in a choppy market. But just make sure that you're able to pull the trigger when need be and not freeze up. YY is an incredible trade now. Traders tracking 86. 86 on YY.
G10, if you knew how many plans I have for pen from the pre-market, I had the levels, everything was planned, but nothing happened in pen. Really, it was one of the candidate looks great. No, nothing.
I'm still following Billy after it spiked me out. The 42 is a nice area, but I'll wait for some price pattern. Could take it that low to the 41.11. GRWG. Not familiar with that stock. No, I'll wait for something better now.
YY target's going to be 86, and then I'm going to take the partial here at 86. Looking great.
You clean the V-up, Scott, and this candle in about a minute. Prepare the preparation. It can go to 90 even. There's nothing there. The potential is amazing. Really.
Let's take a look on PWR. You can short it below the 49. I want to say this is a very low volume, but I shorted today SCI. Come on, Billy. I knew it will go to break the 42. I'm not going to enter now, BILI, because it's very extended.
No, I'm not going to add that, Aston. Why should we add? Did it show us a proof that it's... No. We had 40 cents, something like this. We're going to get in your level 1-to-1. I want to see if we can go to the high, break the high. You actually feel the vibe of the market today. So things are going pretty weird. So I'm not going to be aggressive. I like to be aggressive, definitely not today.
Etsy, let's take a look on Etsy. Wow. Okay, Etsy, we're too late. Let's take a look on eBay.
And watch also W, Michael's favorite, also climbing high.
NVAX looking forward to it. 134 entry now. 134 entry.
Okay, thank you to Amir. We have 1-to-1 in PTON. Very easy trade. Someone said, what happened to Python after 2 seconds we got in. So PTON looking very good. Guys, take a look on the daily charts. The symbols I just wrote in the chat. PTON, FSLY, BILI, and SONO. I followed all of them today only because one reason, and this is the daily chart. FSLY, I looked all day to find some entry point. And Billy, I'm with a small stop loss. Eton, we are in with Meir. And Sono, I'm in, but I didn't post it. Yes, SPY is trying to break the high. I'm waiting, Austin. It's looking good. Waiting for a new high in PTON. I'm working on 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, so I'm still waiting for my first target. Those of you who are
8 cents to
working
go now
with
on
1 to
YY.
1. Scott, where did you took YY?
YY, I posted it at the 83.75 mark here. Now tracking 86. Here comes the NVAX trade, going in long here at 134.
Nice.
NVAX.
Yes, Stephanie, that's what we are hoping for. I'm seeing the chart of BILI. Maybe I should look for another enter later.
I want to join Scott. 86, 1 point stop. Why? Looks beautiful. He had a very good entry.
Yep.
I think this one can be
NKLA still
a very
continuing.
nice opportunity also, hopefully.
Tell you what, traders, a big difference in between today and the rest of the days here. I nailed the trades today. Good direction for the stocks, the individual stocks, and we're off to the races today. Very nice.
Morning, Scott, Meir, everyone. May I get the sound test, please?
Hey, Mike.
Hey, Mike.
Morning. You sound
Sounds great.
Morning. Yep. How's your morning been?
Yeah, good in terms of the swing trades. Not so great trading this morning. Have 3 short trades open. None of them is even close to a partial at this point. We'll take. We'll also take this YY trade with you guys. YY is back to
You will
being
wish
a
you will
big
take it
mover.
with Scott.
I have only short positions. It's unbelievable. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 short positions open. Only one long hurts. That's unbelievable. Also watching Facebook over for leg over 264.50. Facebook.
Which stock are you in short, Michael?
Wow, so many. ZTO, VRX, MNPR, FULC, CHRS. And I was short another one, RKT, but I stopped out.
Did you see the volume that came in W and Etsy?
No. Etsy? Okay.
See what happened in 20 minutes ago, and also W.
Yeah, Etsy, wow, what a very nice bull flag now. Maybe over 131, there's more upside. The daily looks amazing on Etsy. Highs of the day are 130.95. Facebook, 264.50 for me. Yeah, that's my entry, 264.50. Stop loss, a couple of cents under 264. Also, Baba can be a long trade at 255.50. Yeah, I'd rather trade Facebook. Of course, Apple was better, but I missed the long trade there.
Yeah, I saw it. Nosif, I saw the B. Looks amazing. 15 minutes, you have 14.55, 15 cent stop. Show it to Michael, he will love it.
Yeah, I'm in the trade with BE. Also, join you guys in BE.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's impossible to miss.
You like it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I know. You like those formations. Yeah.
The market continues to be lazy. I mean, this has been a slow-moving week, but I would rather focus less on the market and focus on the winning stock / the losing stocks. When I say losing is not that many, but winning, you have Apple winning every day, one day after the other. PE and RUN are working together in the same sector. RUN is also at the highs of the day, but the reversal trade in B, of course, is a better entry. There was also a reversal in RUN at 46.85. Not relevant anymore. I don't know if you want to add.
Remember, we've got
right
that,
now in
two more
BE
IPOs to go
taking
today as well.
partial. I suggest, Tanvir, you take a partial first. Let's see it move over 1480, take the partial, and then worry about adding. SQFT was supposed to be IPO'd yesterday, I think, Clifton. Did not IPO? I mean, did not
Did
came
not,
out
did
and
not come on yesterday.
yeah, BEK.
They're afraid, Michael.
NTST. The symbols mean nothing to me, but neither did RKT. So
No, BKE, they want to raise huge amount, more than $1 billion and something, and good managers.
okay,
So
great.
BKE supposed to be great. Yeah.
Regarding Boeing, let's take a look. Boeing has been a success story short over the last couple of days. Today, Today it's different. Okay, trended higher all day, came back now to the 175, 176, broke lower, but with the market showing strength, I think it's not a short trade right now. Looks like a long trade, but where? 176.25. I don't see a good entry point, you know. Right now, I don't see a clear entry point for Boeing Hurricane. SPC. Yeah, SPC, very, very strong, looks great. If you're in the trade, add. If you're not in the trade, I don't know, doesn't look that attractive at 19 right now. But if you are in the trade, of course, adding support is at 1885.
Under 84, I'll come out of the rest of the YY trade here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to come out of the rest of it here if we take 84 out. Okay, NVAX looking good. And my target's going to be at least 2 points up here on NVAX.
Guys, suddenly ZTO dropped like a stone, so I don't remember who posted this trade, but I was just following again the ideas here from the room, and perfect move under 33.90. Just forgot to talk about it. Very, very nice move. Straight down. NKLA unstoppable today after the weak earnings. When were the weak earnings? 3 days ago? Don't remember the exact date. Anyway, NKLA is amazing. Gap up and go today. Unstoppable. It's on my watch list. I didn't trade it with Scott, and I would wait for a pullback, but this stock is unbelievable today. So is a comeback truck for us. SHLL, guys, watch SHLL, another company in the trucking business. Now pulling back sharply, but I suggest you add it to your watch list. Steven, I don't see anything interesting today in AMD. Trading very, very flat, a very, very flat trading day. It's exactly at the midpoint, so it's a perfect doji right now. Just check the daily, you'll see a perfect doji. I see nothing interesting at this point.
Look at Autodesk, Michael, today, ADSK.
Wow, we didn't trade ADSK
Today.
in months. What happened?
I know.
Disappeared.
No, look at the daily.
Yeah.
Look at the daily.
Yeah, it's sitting at the
252.
highs of the year for 3 months now. But it has no volume anymore.
I know.
43. Yeah, the volume is not great.
No, it's not.
The Facebook trade over 263, 264.50 is still valid unless we break to 263.80 now, and then I will cancel the order and look for other stuff. SHLL, I want to enter it right now. I mean, I would wait for a better setup. Right now it trades 22, up from 22.30. It's also very spready. What happened there? 20-cent spreads? Weird. Guys, I forgot to talk about, where is it? Not SPCE, SRNE. Hold on a second. Okay, not relevant. I had an idea to buy SRNE over 14, down to 13.60 right now. Okay, let's skip it.
We did a nice trade on the opening, Michael, in SRNE. We bought it above the 5 minutes, and it gave us like 50, 60 cents.
Yeah, it's a small cap, but
It was
it's an
very
amazing
straightforward.
mover. Look at the daily chart. It's all messed up.
Yeah.
Big mover.
It messed up right now, but when we started the trade, see, it looks like a nice reversal daily that had a lot of edge. It's the difference is 2 hours now. You know what we saw, 9:35.
2 hours is a lot of time. Now it's under 13.50.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, let's watch it.
From hero to zero.
Yeah, immediately.
Yeah.
It's still, however, up 8%. So I would watch it. I don't see any new entry right now.
AMC. Which stock is AMC?
AMC, isn't it the movie operator or movie theaters? Looks good on 520, but I won't expect a big move here. Yeah, nice. Nice move. Guys, the movie is, it's unbelievable. I mean, this is a thing of the past.
Okay, traders, I am out of the NKLA trade, and I'm out of the YY trade. Both decent while they lasted. The only thing I'm in right now is this NVAX trade and Yandex right now. YNDX and NVAX. Yeah, I'm just OSTK starting to move here.
You can add, you can